In this video, you'll learn how to connect your Stan store to TikTok. By following these steps, you will successfully link your TikTok profile to your store, enhancing your social media presence. Begin by navigating to your Stan store. Look for the left sidebar where various options are available. My Store. This action will direct you to your store's main management page. Once you are on the store management page, find the store preview section. Your profile photo or logo should be visible in this area. Identify your profile image as it will be the next point of interaction. Next, you will need to click on the pencil icon, which resembles a writing instrument. This icon is located just after your profile photo or logo. Clicking this icon allows you to edit your store settings. After clicking the pencil icon, you should see an editable interface for your store settings. Hover your cursor over the social media icon section, which is typically displayed below your profile photo. This area contains fields for different social media links. Locate the TikTok field within the social media icon section. Click on this field to activate it. You will need to enter your TikTok username here. It is important to only input your username and not the complete link to your TikTok profile. Once you've entered your TikTok username correctly, look for the Save button. Clicking Save will store your changes and connect your TikTok profile to your Stan store. Ensure that you see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated successfully before proceeding. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.